Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'd like to show you how the Autotrader WordPress Integration PRO plugin works. Basically, how you can connect your WordPress website with the autotrader.co.uk portal to get automatic synchronization of your vehicle offers directly to your site. Once installed and properly configured, which we'll get to in a moment, you will see this view on the /vehicles subpage. Here we have our cars, advanced filtering, and sorting options. We can see our vehicles here. You can click on the photos to preview them from this level. At the bottom, we have pagination to browse through pages, and we can click into a specific car. Here, you can also use the gallery. On the right side, there are contact details and the phone number. Below is the car description, price, key information, a specs table, and if there's a full description, it will appear here as well. Now, let's move to the plugin settings. You'll see the Autotrader tab here. After entering your license key, all these tabs will appear. In the dashboard, we have the synchronization status. Currently, it shows success, the time of the last sync, and how many cars are in stock. In my current setup, since I'm testing, the Advertiser ID isn't entered yet, but I'll show you where to do that in a second. You also see your license status, sync frequency, and when the next sync is scheduled. Next is the setup. According to this info, after purchasing the plugin, you need to email partner.support@autotrader.co.uk to request the activation of the DevKit Autotrader WordPress Integration PRO. Provide your dealer ID, or if you don't have it, your trading name and postcode. Autotrader usually activates this within a few business hours. Once you have your dealer ID, enter it here, save, and run a connection test to see if everything is working correctly. There's a sample email here that you can just copy and send. In the sync settings, you can set how many cars to show per page and whether to enable the default listing page at the /vehicles URL. If you disable this, you'll need to resave your WordPress permalinks. Once saved, the /vehicles page will no longer exist, but you can still use shortcodes. Shortcodes work in a way that allows you to embed your inventory anywhere. You can display all cars, or, for example, only BMWs. Here we have a shortcode embedded, and if I go to this page, I'll see only the BMW vehicles. In SEO settings, you can use variables or fixed text for the titles of individual car pages or the main listing. In appearance, you enter your dealer name, phone, and email, which shows up right here. You can also customize all colors to match your website's theme. In the Advanced tab, you can enable logging to check if everything is okay, though I recommend keeping it off unless you encounter errors. By default, if you delete the plugin, it removes all its data from the database. If you want to keep that data, just check this box. That's essentially everything. The link to this plugin is in the video description. You can find more details there and purchase the Pro version, which I highly recommend. Thank you for your attention and see you soon. Bye!